So today we're at the office. Got here, what is it, like 5 o'clock? Right here we have a can of ultra flat Krylon black spray paint. This is how it all started. This is my favorite color. I hate glossy. This is the best smelling spray paint ever. And take you to the office today, demonstrate a little bit of can control. We're in beautiful Palo Alto, California. So let's go to the office. This is how the paint comes out. See, there's no drips. If when you're painting, you should do smooth lines like this. And if you take too long and you stutter, then you get drips, which, I don't know, sometimes you want. Going up the freeway. Here's a tree. Here's the building. So when you start off, like, there's like old school and new school. Like this is it. This is what comes. There's no like special spray paint for graffiti artists. There's no special caps or whatever. So you have to, you know, you have to get good at just, you know, using what comes with it. You know. So you do shit like this. You just learn how to paint like that. But then, you know, you look through those graffiti magazines and you start meeting like these graffiti kids, and you get fat caps. This is a stock cap. It comes out like this, and then this is the fat cap. So it comes out like that. So if I were to draw the same face, the fat cap, then it's, you can see you hold the can backwards and you get these, you know. So that to me looks like teeth, and a nose, and do a couple of these. Got a crazy skull.
I'm from the street.